How to fix the avatar not showing up on your Instagram app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can fix if the avatar option is not available on your Instagram app. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because we promise to bring you more awesome content and videos like this one. And without any further delay, let us get started with today's tutorial. So first of all, basically what happens is that if I open my Instagram account right over here, and then if I tap on my profile icon and then tap on the menu icon, and then I go to my settings, and if I actually tap on the account option, you would actually be able to see this avatar button right over here. However, some users are actually complaining that they don't have this avatar option. So in this video, we're simply going to learn what we can do and what steps we can actually follow if you don't have the avatar option on your Instagram. So basically, first thing we want to do is simply try to check whether the Instagram app has an update available, because what happens is that if you're using an outdated version of Instagram, then you would basically not have the avatar option, because it is a new feature released by the Instagram company. So you want to open your app store, and in the search box you want to simply type in Instagram, and then simply check whether the app has an update available. As you can see, in my case we don't have an update available, but I do have the avatar option. However, if the avatar option is missing on your Instagram app, then you want to make sure to simply actually update the Instagram app to the latest version. So ensure you are actually using the latest version of Instagram. So if this fixes your issue, that is perfectly fine. If it doesn't, we are going to move on to the second solution, that is that we are actually trying to reset the application. Now if you're using iPhone, or if you are an iOS user, what you can do is you can open your settings and you can go to general, and you can tap on iPhone storage, and then go ahead and simply offload the application first, and then reinstall the Instagram app again. However, if you're an Android user, what you can do is you can simply long press on the Instagram home icon right over here, and then you can tap on the I button and then tap on more. Now you can go to this option by also going to your settings, searching for apps, and then tapping on Instagram. Once you open the Instagram's app info page, what you can do is you will find a button that says storage and cache. So go ahead and tap on storage and cache. As you tap on storage and cache, in order to actually clear the data of Instagram app and actually reset it, we are going to simply tap on clear cache button as over here, as you can see. Then again we're going to tap on the clear storage button, and this is actually going to delete all of the app data. So make sure you actually remember your Instagram password and all other credentials, because it is basically going to reset the application. Once you've actually also reset the application, the other thing you can try is to actually simply force stop the app right over here, and then reopen Instagram, re-log into your account, and then check whether you have the avatar option available. And if it still doesn't have the avatar option available, it most likely means that that particular feature has not been released in your region. So what you might actually want to do is simply try to install a VPN and connect it to a region where the avatar option is available. If it doesn't, then you want to simply ensure that the avatar feature has not been released officially in a global way. So you want to make sure until it gets also released to your region. We hope some of these solutions has actually fixed your issue, and if it did help you in either way, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts simply regarding this, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.